really smell like my ex-boyfriend. Good morning! I really miss traveling around. I really miss making travel vlogs, and since we cannot travel out of Singapore right now, it's time for us to explore the beauty locally in Singapore. And today will be a collaboration with Klook, so we'll be traveling around Kampong Glam. I'm really excited to see the hidden treasures in Singapore, and I can't wait. Alright, so we are starting the trip with an Instagram tour. So we have our amazing guide here. Ta-dang! So the first stop is the HDB because it's raining outside. We're taking pictures around here. HDB is really like the icon of Singapore, right?
Right, so that's actually a place where 80% of the Singaporeans live in. Most of us probably live in HDB,
Yeah.
but probably never have the chance, right, to visit this particular unique HDB.
Yeah, it's wider than the
It's
ones.
wider than the usual one.
Yeah.
Planning for this, this was one of the early HDBs, right? Resident was saying that, you know, we wanted a place to actually gather, to actually have a chance to actually mingle.
So I guess like the newer flats don't really have this kind of wide corridors, so that's kind of sad. I guess we don't get to mingle that much nowadays.
You do? You also see the contact page, void deck and all that.
Yeah.
What do you think this is for?
This thing, for the rain to go out. I don't know.
You know when we were younger, right? As a child, you want to look out at the world. So which means that you then have this for you to look out and see what the world is like.
Right. I think when I was younger, I don't have HDB flats with like this kind of peephole. So I guess I don't really get to explore the world much.
If you do here, so usually we tell them it's about symmetry. You realize that your perspective changes. So
We'll go take some photos. If you want to get 4D numbers, right? Here you have the 4D number vending machine. Only in Singapore. Right now we are heading out to this secret site to take the very famous Bugis Spiral Staircase.
I open two better. 这样是好像开心开心嘛，拜得开开心心。
Share your Hinduism knowledge with us.
just right, sea creatures,
Ah.
eventually we become humans.
Yeah.
The first one is sea, go into sea and land, turtle. 10 avatar, right, it actually said that the 10 avatar has not appeared yet. When it appears, it will be doomsday for mankind.
Oh, the last one
The last
over
one.
here. Right, okay. Okay, we're just done with the Instagram walking tour, and I have to say that it's very interesting because we always walk by all these places, right? But we don't know the history. We don't know any details about these places. It's not like any other conventional tour where you just go around and listen to the details. But this one, they incorporate like Instagram pictures, so they actually stop by a lot of the Instagram worthy places for you to take pictures. So we took quite a number of pictures. I would recommend you all to go for this tour because now that we are stuck in SG, we need to learn more about SG stuff. And this is really, I've been here for like 25 years and this is something new that I learn every day. We are here for the perfume making workshop, and this is Scent by Six, and it is located at Bugis Junction. Cannot wait to try out.
So basically,
It doesn't really smell like my ex-boyfriend.
very.
Second evaluation. Very pretentious this one. So he taught us that this is how professionals do it, so that it will not contaminate the table. As in the table will not contaminate the scent. So this is how I'm doing it. I'm a professional now. Nice. I'm finally done with my perfume. So this is one and only. It's made by me. You can bid for it down in the comments. I'm just kidding. Smells so nice. Sweet, like me. We are walking towards Knox Dining in the Dark now. It's my first time actually dining in the dark, so I can't wait. Let's go! So we are now at Knox and we'll be having our meal soon. The special thing about the meal is that we'll be dining in the dark, and this is my first experience dining in the dark. I really don't know what to expect. So later I won't be able to bring my camera inside because it has to be total darkness. So I will come back and tell you how the food is like. And apparently we will also know what we are eating only after the meal. I can't wait! Are you excited? also heard that your other senses will be amplified when one of your senses is blocked. And that also means that if the dish has coriander, I'll flip. This is a cocktail from them. We are waiting for our meal. So Knox Dining in the Dark is actually created to bring public awareness for the visually impaired, and it also shows us the difficulties that they face on a daily basis. So the servers are actually visually impaired, and they will be guiding us and reassuring us throughout the meal later. So basically the roles are reversed at this dining experience. Alright, so we are back down here after our meal. It was a very interesting experience, I have to say. Food was great. I think I got a good guess. I'm really curious what I ate just now for the main courses. Our server Bernard was a great host. He shared a lot of inspiring stories with us. Filling up the survey now, and we have to guess what we had just now. I mean, it was pitch black. With my amazing taste bud, I think I got it pretty right.
The second dish.
Ah, that's the carrot.
Yes. So
I
this
got it right.
is right.
Yeah. I keep asking them, is it carrot? Is it carrot?
You got it right. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is one of the most difficult dish among all 12.
Hear that?
Here then we have the coriander bits. Coriander bits.
I knew there's coriander.
Coriander?
A little bit, a small piece. I mean,
Maybe I didn't even eat until the coriander.
Okay, so the thing is that when I blew up this picture, it become big lah. But actually
Yeah.
small.
Oh my gosh, this was pork. I thought it was beef the whole
Okay, who's the first one
time.
who says it's beef?
Him. He said it was beef. So everybody believed it was beef.
When somebody just say out something, you will believe it.
Yeah, it's
Your
true. Oh yeah,
mind
because
still
everybody
is-
was
yeah.
like,
Okay.
beef. Just done with Dining in the Dark at Knox, and I have to really recommend this experience to all of you. It's something that you don't get at any other normal restaurant. It's a very interesting experience. It's fun. It's something that you can talk to your friends about. We leave the place on a very good note. Alright, so let's move on to the next place. We are heading down to Haji Lane now to check out this modern batik outfit. Let's go. We are here at Utopia, and we'll be trying out some modern batik outfits. Outfit from Utopia, and I really like how it is so modern and casual, so you can really wear it on a daily basis, and it still has the traditional batik prints, Chinese take to it. It's a jumpsuit, by the way, so it's really pretty casual. So the thing about Utopia apparel is that they are actually around for about 20 years already, and the designer mentioned just now that she wanted to make a twist to the traditional batik style so that we can wear it on a daily basis. That's very smart of her. Okay, so we are done with the tour. I hope this shows you more beauty and hidden treasures of Singapore. I really enjoyed myself today. I learned so many new stuff. I can't wait to explore more parts of Singapore. Maybe we need to do a Take Me to Singapore Part 2 or something. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you like it as always, and I'll see you all really soon.